The position of an object is given by the equation x equal to 3.0 t squared plus 1.5 t plus 4.5, where x is in meters and t is in seconds. What is the instantaneous acceleration of the object at t equals 3.0 seconds? You should pause now and try to get the answer on your own. Well, as with any other case, you have that the velocity is the derivative of position dx dt, which will be 6.0t plus 1.5. Acceleration is the derivative of the velocity, and that is 6.0 meters per second squared. The first thing to notice is that this result does not depend on time, so the acceleration is constant. This means that the instantaneous acceleration is equal to the acceleration at any time. And so your answer is 6.0 meters per second squared. This is option B. Thank you for watching. See you next time.